Hey guys, this is the Arab feast. Happy birthday.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine. Don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind. I'm chilling.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm outside Qaysar, and we're here for the most delicious Arab feast. So basically, it's my friend Mira's birthday, and she thought, what better way to celebrate than with some Shisha and some Arabic food. You know who it is, Biggy Travels, Sammy. There's the birthday girl. Hello.
Hi.
Happy 25th.
Thank you.
So birthday girl Mira, what is this dish currently?
So it's called makuba, and it is lamb, basmati rice, lots of vegetables, carrots, eggplant, broccoli, cucumber. It's a pretty delicious dish. You should try it.
It's got everything in there.
Yeah, pretty heavy too.
And this one over here, this like steaming hot pot.
Yeah, this is literally okra with lamb, and of course a little chili right here.
What's the spice levels like?
Not too spicy. It's just right.
Yo, a lot of this food is also accompanied by a lot of vegetables, which makes a really refreshing salad. Delicious with your meal.
You get some of that okra, put some rice on it. Get the beef as well, slap that. Parcel. Second time. Oh.
You suck very nice now. Did you learn it in the gym?
This night was one of the most fun nights ever. Yo, we couldn't stop laughing, man. This was too funny. BB, telescope.
Yo, so I used to crash at Sammy's house, yeah? And Sammy used to brew us up some of this special tea. We used to have it called the Persian style tea. Right there. Steaming hot. Ooh. Literally after you finish a meal, eat, we'd have a tea, we'd dish like some sugars in it, like
You dab them sugars in there. Ooh, drip, drip. Then sip, sip.
and once you finish the tea, you're ready to lie down. That's like the Persian way anyways.
Do nothing.
And do nothing. Just lie down on your left side, go to sleep.
So after having Arabic food, you gotta get a cup of tea and shisha.
We are trying the diced apple all over the shop. It's like extra powerful flavouring today. And the owner just brought this out just for us. We're the only ones in the restaurant who have this right now. So I'm gonna try it. Let's get it in. The flavour is like 10 times. He put real fresh apple inside of the shisha. We're gonna see how it goes. How's that tasting, brother?
It's perfect, man. It's completely different from this thing.
Ooh, can you taste the flavours, yeah?
Absolutely.
So Sammy was saying that they actually dice the apple and put it inside the shisha. So when it's boiling and coming through, you get all the flavours of it. Sammy's just enjoying that right now. Smoky Joe.
Wow, I think I'm getting high out of this.
So Sammy's currently living the life right now. He's never experienced this before. I don't think any of us have.
I've been smoking shisha my whole life. I've never seen such thing.
When no one is around you.
Say baby, I love you.
Razir?
This is Razir, and he's about to eat like a porn star. Let's go.
Try my pimples. You know, we just met. It's so close.
Bro, so it looks like they put it in a sandy kind of base and mix it around. Boy, my bro.
So this is a Turkish style of cooking where they use sea salt and fire to cook the lamb. They then pat the fire down with a sword and shape the sea salt. Then they dash even more alcohol on the fire to make it fire up. Blaze it!
Ready to serve. Oh yeah. Look at that. Meat is just falling off the bone. Yes, chef. Yeah.
So they stuff the lamb and they stuff the beef and they stuff it with rice and lots of different vegetables and seasonings. It's absolutely delicious. Look at this. Look at the steam coming out of it. Delicious. So these guys know how to do it well. The table is coated with a variation of different dishes, man. My gosh, there was everything you could ever imagine on one table.
Whoa, so they decided to give me a little taste test. I'm gonna get to try some of this, the meat falling off the bone. And it just looks amazing, epic. Everybody's chowing in. How's it taste?
It's great.
This was literally in like a massive flame.
I know.
It's like a fire pit.
Never find this anywhere in the world.
Only in this restaurant. Bruv, I've got to get into this as well. Let me have a little piece. Let me a little gander of this. Oh, it's nice, man. It's like a salty kind of soft beefy texture. It's got kind of fat in there as well, and the rice and the kind of flavorings around. And the chef has brought us some more stuff, man. I'm gonna try out some of this. Look at that.
This one.
First taste. So that was like a crazy experience I've never seen before in my life. The guy was cooking with a sword, dousing the fire with like alcohol, and basically it was like sea salt covered across the lamb. It was just insane.
So if you want an authentic Arab experience in the Philippines, you need to get yourself down to Al Qaysar restaurant. Experience only the best. Subscribe.